So Stockton wanted to find a crab, and we found this guy down here. There we go. See, he's nice and healthy.
Like a little iridescent, is that what you're talking about?
Yeah. But that's all we found, I guess. There's some sand crabs around here, but I haven't caught any yet. Can you hold him? Yeah, pick him up.
I'm not touching.
Be brave.
Come on, McKay.
Be brave, McKay. Is anybody brave? It won't kill you. Oh, he's gonna get away. He's gonna go get Tiff. That won't make her happy.
It's your creature.
There he goes. He did it. Look, he's brave. He got a sandy crab. He'd go rinse him off. Oh. He's running for it. He's going for it now.
Oh, bro. Get it!
There we go.